Welcome to a cozy and very chill vlog where we celebrate the last days of October and Halloween. I started by creating some cool smoothies. Normally I go for other type of recipes, but this year I wanted to try and see if I could make some smoothies that could reflect Halloween. Normally in Halloween my partner and I make a Halloween costume party and we host it at home. But this year Jorge is on a trip for work and I just wasn't feeling like doing it without him. So I gave myself the opportunity of celebrating the Halloween weekend in another way. If you have been following me for a while, you know that autumn and Halloween are one of my favorite time of the year, and maybe you're asking yourself the question, what does celebrating autumn and Halloween in a chill and cozy way have to do with living an anti-cancer lifestyle or just being healthy? Well, even though there's not a direct cause and effect relationship between one and another, there are some benefits that can come from celebrating Halloween, and not just Halloween, but having a cozy and chill weekend doing the things that you enjoy. Having some time for yourself in a chill and cozy way can help reduce stress, which is a known factor in cancer risk. Chronic stress can weaken the immune system and promote inflammation. So just taking the time for you to relax and enjoy can really help if you're going through some stress. Spending some time with family, if you have the chance, or some friends can really support your mental and emotional well-being. Also, this type of celebrations can give you the opportunity to engage in creative and fun activities. In this case, I decided to stay home and just take it very, very slow, but I really had a lot of fun in creating the Halloween smoothies and also pumpkin carving with my friends. One of my friends stayed for a sleepover, and the next day we just decided to take it very, very chill. So we went for a walk with the doggy and then we just sat on the sofa. I painted her nails and we had a very deep talk. Maybe this is an inspiration for you to ask yourself, when was the last time that you had quality time and like meaningful conversations with your friends or a family member, maybe someone that may need it or maybe you need it. I think this is really, really important. And after she left, I was feeling really, really bad with my period, so I did nothing but stay on the sofa the entire, rest of the day and watched Halloween movies.
Train just left this town while I'm slowly heading back to my apartment. not asking for your thoughts. I'm just thinking out loud in the darkness. Ooh, there's no point 'cause we both know. From here there's nowhere to go. Someone said your heart is golden. All I got was my heart broken. I can see the dawn.
The previous day, when my friend and I were walking Elmed, I found a candle holder just thrown out on the street, and it was in such perfect condition that I looked at it and I was like, oh my god, why is this thrown out? And something that I have learned from my partner, and that I absolutely love that he made me embrace this, was just to take things from the street that were, you know, in pretty good condition, and just give those things the opportunity to have, like, you know, kind of a second life, or an opportunity for those things to have more stories, more life. I don't know how to explain it, but I think it's something really, really special, taking into account that we waste so many things nowadays, and like there's so much waste in the planet. Just finding things in the street that are in perfectly good condition and just giving them another life, and for those things to be part of another story, I think it's something so unique and so special. So I'm so grateful for my partner to teach me to embrace these things. Enjoying the beauty of autumn and the space that comes within can encourage to practice mindfulness and being present in the moment. I always think that with autumn comes a slower living practice, let's say. This is one of the reasons why I really love to invest in evaluating my life, evaluating my habits, maybe just taking it slower on my morning and night routines, being more present, and just like taking a step back to be able to let go of what no longer serves me and see what things I can improve. It comes with embracing changing seasons and, as a reminder to balance work, to balance self-care and leisure. So this is why I love this moment of the year so much, and why I think that celebrating Halloween and autumn and just taking this time and space for yourself, it's so important and so beneficial. I know lately I haven't posted a lot of educational content, but I promised myself that I was going to be very real on my YouTube channel. And this is basically what happens when autumn comes. It's just a major slowdown in my life. And as I just have described, I think it's really important and beneficial. So I really wanted to put it on my videos because it's actually what's happening. There will be educational videos coming soon, but I really hope that this video somehow inspired you to take the time just in case you need it, and even if you don't need it, just take the time for yourself and make the space to slow down and just reevaluate what is going on and see how you're feeling and enjoy the autumn, Halloween. And I'm gonna say goodbye for now. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.